Hey guys, in this video we're going to look at some of the standard page templates that comes with the Power theme. So we included a bunch of standard page templates, including an About Us page, a Track Your Order page, a shipping page, a gallery page, an FAQ page, and a Contact Us page. And we included these separately with the Power theme outside of the 3 custom landing pages. And the reason we did that is because we saw that like most stores are likely gonna have these pages. So we didn't want you guys to have to use custom landing pages to create these pages for your store. And that just allows you to use your custom landing pages more for product landing pages without having to use any for these sort of standard pages that stores typically have. So the way you add these to your store is exactly the same way that you add custom landing pages. So let's just delete one of these standard page templates and we will re-add it just to show you guys how to do that. So I'm just going to delete the About Us page for now. So once you get your Power theme out of the box, you're obviously not going to have any pages here within your Pages tab. And well, unless you added them before and you're adding the Power theme to an existing store, then you will have some pages here with just other templates related to your other store. But for all intents and purposes, let's just say that we're starting from scratch here and we don't have any pages added. So the way that we add these standard pages to our store is come up to Add Page, and we're going to want to click on this template dropdown right here. So instead of adding a standard page, we're going to come down and we're not going to reuse one of our custom landing pages. This is how we would add a custom landing page if we wanted to, but we're going to keep going down and we can notice that we have all these other templates. So About Us, Contact, FAQ, Gallery, Luke's, Shipping, Track Your Order. So the Luke's one is actually added by default when you install the Luke's app, so we won't look at that one. However, all the other ones are standard with the Power theme. So if we want to add the About Us page back, we're going to select that page template. We're going to give it a title for our page. So we're going to call it About Us in this case. And we're also going to define the URL here. So by default, it just comes up as the title, as the URL, which is fine in this case. So this all looks good. Keep it as visible. And you do not need to enter any text content here. You can enter a description as well here and maybe like an SEO optimized page title. And this is what will show up in Google search for your page. So I do recommend you add the title and description with SEO rich keywords for your niche. And once that is finished, we'll click Save. We'll back out. And now you can see that we have our About Us page added to our store. So you'll do a similar thing for the rest of these standard page templates. So whichever ones you need on your store, just add it in a similar way that we just did that. So now that we have that, let's go back into our store customizer. So we're on the home page now. If we click this drop down, scroll down to our pages, we can see these are our 3 custom landing pages we have on the example store. And we also now have added our About Us page, and we already had added the Contact Us page, FAQ, Gallery, Shipping, and Track Your Order pages. So let's just go through these one at a time to see which sections we included with each different template. So for the About Us page template, you can see that it comes out of the box with one of these dynamic sections content blocks. And you're probably familiar with this already. So this is the same block that comes on the custom landing pages. And this is what allows us to design those fully customized landing pages. And again, we can use it to design a fully customized About Us page in this case. So when we click down, we can see all of the sections within the Power theme. And we can just add a couple here for illustration. So we'll add a heading, plain body, and row of images. You'd have to select the images here for it to display. And maybe some icons with text. So you can add as many sections as you want here and fully build out your About Us page using all of the sections available within the Power theme. Next up, let's look at the Contact Us page. So within the Contact Us page, we again have one of these dynamic sections blocks. So we can fully build out our Contact Us page in the exact same way that we build out the custom landing pages on our store. So we can fully build this out with any of the sections. And also we have the Contact Us card, which also comes on every Contact Us page template. And that is this section right here. So if we click into this section, you can either choose to display or not display this card. And all this card is doing is it has a name, email, and phone number input. And your customer can simply fill this out and click send. And then that email is going to show up in your customer service contact email, which you have defined for your store within your store settings on the dashboard. So that is the Contact Us page. The FAQ page is a little bit easier. We didn't include a full section, dynamic section block here. So you can't fully build out this page. It's a little more simple, and we just have a heading block here. So you can change your FAQ page heading right here. And then we have a standard FAQ block here. So you can add your FAQ questions and answers here like this. So that's the FAQ page template. For the gallery page template, we again have one of these dynamic sections content blocks. And typically you're probably just going to want to use, the row of images on this one. So let's just build out maybe a really quick gallery to show you guys what you can do here. Try and get these to match up. So you can see that's like a really quick gallery that we just built only with this 1 to 4 images block. And you also have access to any of these blocks here as well. So if you just wanted to add a heading example to your gallery, you can add that and drag it up to the top. Go into the settings, change this to gallery, and you can build out a fully customized gallery this way if you'd like. So that's the gallery template, just pretty simple. Next up we have the shipping page. In the shipping page, we again have one of these dynamic blocks as well as an FAQ block that you can add questions and answers. So we added the FAQ block to the shipping template because we thought you might want to answer some common questions like shipping time questions or like fulfillment, lead times, things like that. So again, if you don't want this, just delete these blocks from your page and these will be gone. So again, a fully customizable shipping page. And the last one is a track your order page. So this one is a a little bit different. As you can see, we don't have a dynamic block in this template. What we do have is a static heading section for track your order, and then also this track your order block, which we haven't seen before anywhere else. So this one, very similar to the other blocks, we can define the background color. We can define the layout, so the width of the block. We can define the text here, so enter your tracking number to see your order status in this case. And then the settings along with that text, and then settings for the track button color and text color, and padding and animation, just like other sections. So obviously with this section, if your customer enters a tracking number here and clicks track, then they're going to see a tracking summary show up below this section here, and it'll pop up here with a 17 track pop-up to show them where their package is. So that's the track your order template, and that does it for the sort of standard out of the box templates. Again, we added these so you don't have to waste any of your custom landing page templates on these standard pages, because we wanted to give you guys the ability to create 5 different product landing pages if you opted for the 5 CLP version of the theme, and 10 product pages if you opted for the 10 CLP version. So that's why we did that, and that brings us to the end of this video. So hope you guys like that, and I'll see you in the next video.